If there is something Papua New Guinea has to offer to the outside world, PNG has abundance of natural resources from oil to gas to gold in the mining and petroleum sector to cash crops such as coffee, cocoa, oil palm to marine resources, its flora and fauna and others. PNG is ready to help support the world in whatever way it can. Minister for Trade and Investment Richard Maru, after closed-doors talks with Australia's Trade and Investment Minister Cameron D. Campee, said Papua New Guinea would like to create a partnership with the state of Queensland so that both the state of Queensland and Papua New Guinea can openly exchange its skilled workers, and businesses in both areas can be flexible in setting up their businesses in both PNG and Queensland.
From trade and investment to a sporting relationship, the potential for training Papua New Guineans to work in the Australian and Queensland markets, the opportunity for some Queensland companies to come and invest in great opportunities in our country.
Minister Maru went on to saying that while PNG is blessed with so many things, people or the human resource are the number one priority that Queensland government and Australia can help support in building the employment skills to reaching international standards.
Our discussions tonight will set the foundation for Queensland and Papua New Guinea to seriously think about how we want to strengthen and deepen our partnership in the next few years. I think for business, there's a lot of opportunity for Queensland companies to come up and invest in Papua New Guinea.
Australia's Minister for Trade and Investment Cameron D. Campee said that Australia is willing to help support Papua New Guinea and the Pacific. He said Papua New Guinea certainly has a lot to offer to Australia.
Papua New Guinea is Queensland's most important trading relationship in the Pacific. In the 2021-22 financial year, Queensland goods exported to the Pacific region were worth about $1 billion Australian dollars. That's about 2.3 billion kina. Of that amount, 80%, or about 1.8 billion kina, was with Papua New Guinea. So that just emphasises how important the relationship is.
Minister Cameron also added that Australia is happy to assist Papua New Guinea not just with its development goals, but more so link PNG and Queensland, Australia to encourage business opportunities. He said Australia already has a budget to support PNG and the Pacific.
So to further strengthen that relationship, I'm in Papua New Guinea to announce that we will be appointing a Queensland Trade Commissioner for the Pacific. That will be part of a new trade investment strategy for the Pacific that our government will be releasing. So that's part of our new $150 million trade strategy that will run for 10 years. As part of that, we'll spend around $4.5 million investing in the Pacific because of the value and the importance of the Pacific to Queensland.